Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video on my computer laptop, this is the error what I'm facing on OBS Studio. See here, when I try to open the OBS Studio, it is saying like failed to initialize video. Your GPU may not be supported for your graphics driver. So to fix this, you can do two simple steps. One is the simple restart. You can just click on the restart of your computer and you can check whether it is working or not. If restart doesn't work, then the step 2 you can do. So in this video I'll do the both, and first of all just click on Windows followed by R, and see here this I'll be dropping in the description, or you can just search as percentage app data percentage app data percentage and hit enter, and here you will find this OBS Studio, and under OBS Studio yeah, you can just rename to another, but first I'll try the first step. Okay, just a simple restart will check, and let us check whether this works or not. Okay, restart anyway. So once I complete the restart and check if the OBS is working perfectly fine, that's fine. If it doesn't work, I'll go for the step 2 also. But there is a problem in step 2. If you create any scenes in the OBS Studio and some configuration settings and everything, if you rename the folder, everything will go off. So you need to make sure that every past settings, configurations, or whatever scenes you have created will be lost. So if you're very sure about the second step, then only you can do. For now I'll pause this, and once I restart I'll be coming in. Yeah, see here the computer got restart, and this is the Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop, which is brand new laptop. If you want unboxing and everything, you can just find in the description. Now I'll just search as OBS Studio, and I'll be double clicking on this, and OBS did not shut down properly. Okay, run normally I'm saying. See here, just with the simple restart this got worked. Even for the restart also, if it is not working, you can do one thing. You can just press Windows and R and just search percentage app data percentage and hit the enter, and just rename this to a new name. So if I say something like new here, okay, if I click enter here, when you try to open the OBS, it will again try to create another folder called OBS Studio like this. Okay, then it works, but as I mentioned, all the previous settings, configurations, connections, or the scenes what you have created will be lost. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.